The river never asks for permission to change. It doesn't stop and wonder whether people will approve. It simply keeps moving forward. And maybe that's the lesson. Because if there's one thing I've learned in life, it's that change is unavoidable. The real question isn't whether change will come. The question is, should you fear when that change comes? For years, I thought I knew exactly what my life would look like. I studied electrical engineering. I had a vision, I had a plan, I had direction. Then life happened. When I arrived in the UK, I wasn't just an engineer. I was a husband, I was a father. And when people depend on you, your priorities change. Bills don't wait. Responsibilities don't wait. Life doesn't wait. So I did what most immigrants do. I adapted. I wasn't forced on finding the perfect job. I was forced on providing, on surviving, on creating stability for my family. And sometimes that means putting one dream on hold while you build another. I never planned to own an exterior cleaning business. It wasn't part of the original blueprint. But opportunity has a funny way of appearing when you're willing to work. I noticed a need. People needed their driveways cleaned, their roofs cleaned, their properties maintained. So I started. One customer became two, two became 10, 10 became many more customers than I had anticipated. Over time, that business changed my life. It taught me resilience. It taught me sales, marketing, leadership, and it also taught me customer service. And most importantly, it taught me that there is dignity in any honest work. But here's the thing, even though business has been rewarding, there has always been a voice inside me. One still calm voice that asked, what about engineering? What happened to that dream? For the last 3 years, I ignored that voice. I told myself I was too busy focused on building my business and busy making sure bills are paid. But eventually, I realized something. That voice wasn't going anywhere. And maybe that's because some dreams aren't meant to disappear. They just wait, but they never go away. Which brings me to something very important. 7 reasons you should never fear change. The first one is, growth requires movement. Nothing grows by staying exactly the same. Not a business, not relationships, not people. Growth demands movement. The second one, the future is bigger than your current identity. Too many people become prisoners of who they used to be. You are allowed to evolve. You are allowed to become more than one thing. The third reason is, fear is usually a sign that something matters. If it scares you, it probably matters. The things that transform our lives rarely happen inside our comfort zone. The fourth reason is, experience is never wasted. People think changing direction means starting from zero. It doesn't. Everything you've ever learned comes with you. Every lesson, every failure, every success, everything comes with you. The fifth reason is, time will pass away anyway. 5 years are going to pass by, whether you act or you don't. The question is, who do you want to become during those 5 years? The sixth reason is, society doesn't live your life. People will always have opinions. Some will say you are too young. And others will say, you're too old. Some will say, that is risky. You are too late. But they don't live with the consequences of your decisions. So, do you. And my final reason is, which is the seventh reason, regret is heavier than failure. Most people don't regret trying. They regret not trying. They regret the dream they abandoned, the opportunity they ignored, the voice they stopped listening to. So this year, I'm returning to university. I'm pursuing my master's degree in electrical engineering. Not because my business failed, not because I am unhappy, not because I'm running away from something, but because I'm running towards something, toward a dream that has been patiently waiting for me. And here's what excites me. I don't have to choose. I can continue building my business. I can continue serving my customers. I can continue growing what I've built. And at the same time, I can pursue engineering. Who says we only get one dream? Who says we must fit inside one box? Who made that rule? If you're watching this, maybe there's something you've been thinking about for years. Maybe you've been thinking about a business, a career, a qualification, a dream, a calling, a change. And maybe you've been waiting for permission. Here it is. You don't need society's permission. You don't need everyone's approval. You don't need certainty. You only need courage for the first step. Because the river doesn't stop flowing, and neither should you. The life you want may be waiting on the other side of a decision you've been afraid to make. So should you fear to change? You should fear spending your entire life wondering what might have happened if you had embraced it. Your next chapter begins the moment you stop fearing.